I'd like to spend a minute or two talking about the Knuth SSB 50F Super production drilling machine. These are super machines. They're true production drilling machines for multi-shift operation. They have all the features necessary. This machine has quill feeds, it has recirculating coolant system, and it has a variable speed drive to make your drilling as smooth as possible. 2-speed gearbox, high and low, infinitely variable within the ranges. You have your forward and reverse and power switches and a jog button for changing any gearing. There's a micrometer depth adjustment so you can see your position in high resolution. And of course, emergency stop right up front, interlocked chuck guard, and here's the buttons for raising and lowering the table, powered. This machine also contains drill feeds and a tapping feature, so you can use it for drilling, tapping, reaming, and counterboring. Here you can set your drill feeds to 4, 8, 12, or 16 thousandths per revolution. You set your final depth, and when it feeds to that depth, it automatically stops the feed and returns the quill. You can press the button and stop that at any time. But we'll let it run to the bottom, and you'll see how the drill feed function works.